This is what Muchibi is doing. This is what Muchibi is doing. Mwana amukubye pepper spray. Ne bamusamba samba mu buto. You can see what they have done to the young girl. This is what Muchibi is doing to this nation.
You come and sit in front. Or you want to sit behind? Okay, anybody else who is going to the hospital?
This is what Muchibi. This is what Muchibi.
You know the hospital you guys are going? Which hospital are you going? You know any? Don't like this. You can get there. You know what?
This is Chiri.
You sit with them. Our driver will bring you back. Robert, keep us posted in case of anything, eh? Sylvia, you guys go. All right. Robert.
Oh, that's what Muchibi is doing. This is what Muchibi is doing to the young generation. The president and his team was attacked at the hotel. We don't know what the police was looking for. They have crushed. They have broken every door. You can see some were pepper sprayed, others were beaten. Baspraise wano wansi. Babagambye banoonya ki?
Bagambye baagala oli DPC muwulidde asoma amaanya g'abaana baagala tawa geno Gaza beyakulidde mu manya balina kudroopu gye bakutte era abaana baffe bali mu kubavuka from Aleppo police babaleeta wano ku siteesi awamu bamuwulidde ku simu ng'akolereti naye tebalina nsonga gyebawa
Kati tebalina gwe bakuttewo.
wano tewali
Ate ono omwana abadde kyona akaaba bamukoze eki?
paper spray is athletic ati paper spray bageze paper spray nga bamenyamu mosifule bw'ogaana obulawo bamenyawo ne paper spray wano paper spray nze wansi to move out bagenze wali bamenyawo paper spray nga zifirina atima kusa bagitasobola kusafayiza actually president wawulidde omwana akaaba n'afuluma wabweru kamera Muchibi n'adduka kyebabadde bakola
kiri kimenyemeteeka sobola omulabika ekudduka ng'afulumya ne kamera
badduka ne ttiimu yaabwe
So I've really sneezed a lot, but eventually they opened the door, they forced it open, and we are here, and we're ready to continue to liberate. We're ready to continue to fight, stronger and stronger.
Did they tell you what they were looking for?
Well, they said they wanted to hold a conversation with me, but I said I don't hold conversation in a night dress. I don't. I need my privacy. I need to rest. Tomorrow we have a long day. So they really wanted to drag us out, and I said no. I saw because they looked wild. There were so many, so many, and with their faces covered. So I came in, and also our team, security team, immediately came and said, "Mama, go in, lock." But after that, they still came and knocked, and I opened, and they rushed in, and in the bathrooms and everywhere. Then I closed, and after that, I had them breaking, and then immediately the spray, the pepper spray, or the chemical spray. We don't know what spray it is, but we thank God we are still alive. The Mary has responded. Thank Mother Mary.
Sorry. Embeera president hoteri kwasize embeera tebadde nyangu n'akamu eddakiika ssaawa ng'emu emabega.
No. Wadaile Monte. They called him from Kampala. His correspondent called him from Kampala.
Is that
He's down. Yeah.
Don't allow him to pass. You don't know him. Don't allow him to pass here. No. Andrew. Apana, you come beside. Maybe that's like one of the IDs. His teammates are here. No, give me one ID. Give for the moment. And I want to come around. Catch you one. Yeah, they know him. Another one.
Adam Zaliwa.
Another one. You know what it
abaana bwe baganya okulawo bwemu nakibiiko nyini n'atowa order n'agamba if they refuse to open the doors paper spray everywhere batandika okumenya forceful nga bwe paper spray. Since the paper spray was too much in the room, abamu ne bafuluma wabweru fuma ne bayingira mu ruumu yange ne batandika okukebera buli wamu wansi wa kitanda mutooyi